here we go. The #1 contenders match for a chance to see who will face the N Division champion at the next pay-per-view in January, which is kind of our Royal Rumble type, as we have Broadest facing Boss Killington for a chance to face the N Division champion next month in a #1 contenders match here tonight at the pay-per-view. Let's get it on. And here comes down the ring Craze, or Broadest, whatever we call him, looking all brawlic and stuff like that. Look at that brawlic ass person. Up, here he comes. Yeah. I think that's Broadest. I'm pretty sure that is. Okay, he came out first. I think so. I'm not sure, but hopefully it is, because I don't want to look retarded. Nah. What the? And here comes Boss Killington. And what an entrance. What an entrance.
Approaching the ring, accompanied by the Unstoppable Viper from Harlem, New York, Joe Dad.
There he is, Boss Killington, ladies and gentlemen, coming down the aisle with his sick-looking car. Don't mind the whole one thing, people. I'm just here as a manager so I can record it, so don't mind that. Oh, looks like this guy is the Oklahoma City Thunder fan walking out of the Kevin Durant shirt here at the NRG or pay-per-view arena. It looks like this kind of reminds me of a LeBron James type. It's like a LeBron James. He's making it rain, people. He's making it rain. Oh, God. It's been some crazy matches so far here tonight. A lot of crazy matches. Controversial ones as well. My food! And here we go. Boss Killington and Broadest face each other to see who will face the N Division champion next month.
The bad guy escapes that one.
Big powerbomb.
The bad guy. Nice dodge there. The headbutt.
Damn, and what a headbutt by Broadest.
Rodriguez controlling the head.
And another headbutt by Broadest again.
Bad guy just got punished. And he dodges that one. Narrowly avoids
And reversed by Broadest now.
And
another headbutt.
Nasty headbutt. Rodriguez has the headlock.
And another one, he misses. Damn, and what a right hand by Boss Killington.
The bad guy.
And what a match. What a first match we have here for you tonight. The #1 contenders match between these two athletes. And reversed. Oh, and reversed again by Boss Killington. And now reversed again by Broadest.
Rodriguez controlling the arm.
Whoa. And now wait a minute. Whoa, what a German suplex pin. What a German suplex pin by Boss Killington.
Feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
Has the arm.
Is that the only move this guy does, really?
Avoids the impact there. Rodriguez into the headlock.
Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, look at this move by Boss Killington. Woo, what a move. What a move. And he's gonna fly. Damn, what a moonsault type of move from the apron. He's on the top of the ropes.
And he gets out of the way. There's a
Ooh, what a reverse.
Rodriguez. A big
There you go. Now tie up. Oh, Brodus wins.
If you haven't done it
Ooh,
yet,
elbow.
WWE.com. You'll find updates.
Oh, reversed by Buzz Killington again.
Superstars. What a series. Nobody's backing down here.
Uh-oh. A German suplex by Brodus.
Right on his neck from the German suplex.
And now another headbutt again. Oh,
Each of these competitors is looking for
oh, what a modified German suplex by Brodus. Here it is. Boom!
athleticism.
What a kick.
Dodges to the side of that one. Perfect
Woo!
takedown to get to
What a
that.
takedown by Buzz Killington.
Look at these two
Oh, jockey for
position.
his position now. Here we go. Oof. What a move by Brodus, dominating the early going of this match, somewhat. Both showing some great strength here. What's this? What move is this? Oh, a modified Billy Gunn type of move. Oh, reversed by Brodus now.
I saw that coming. Rodriguez controlling the head.
And now another headbutt.
Oh, talk about getting flattened. Whoa,
Oh, he missed. And Buzz Clinton gets up quickly. He's gonna fight. Oh, and he misses. And now they're gonna fight outside. What the?
Individual is gonna back down here.
Another count. The referee gets the count.
Tricky to avoid that.
The referee gets the count. Oh, and the right hand. The referee's counting. The referee's counting.
Oh, launched back into the ring.
What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do? Oh, he missed the leg drop. He missed the leg drop.
Has the headlock. Nice
Oh, reversed by Buzz
Bad
Killington.
guy with the arm.
What a match it's been. Oh, what a match it's been. And now Buzz Clinton has Brodus in the corner. He has Brodus in the corner. What's he gonna do? Ooh, and a kick. Oh, elbow straight down on the heart. And now Brodus' ring escape. Damn, and he misses. He misses the dive outside. He misses the dive outside. And now they're taking a fight outside. What's he gonna do? Oh, crap. Whoa. A German suplex. Now he's working on the leg. Oh. And now ref is still counting. Ref is still counting. The ref is still counting. Uh-oh. And now Buzz Killington trying to throw Brodus back in the ring. Back in the ring now. Oof.
Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, King?
Well, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to
Oof,
catch
what a
their
kick
breath.
by Buzz Killington. Can this be the momentum he's been looking for? Oh, ooh, what a scissor type of kick on Brodus. And whoa, he misses. He misses a big time miss right there. Oh, reverses. Oh, reverses again. Whoa, what a move. Whoa, what a German suplex. Damn. Oh, fist time. The fist. Look at the fist time.
Good lord, what a series of strikes.
He's in
Now he's
position,
getting up.
ready
He's
to
getting up,
strike.
ready for the end for this match. The end. The end. The end. And a powerbomb. Is it over? The one. The two. Oh, and Brodus is still alive. Brodus is still alive. Oh, and a right hand. Right hand. And Buzz Killington. Oh, Buzz Killington's gonna fly. What's he gonna do? Now he's going to the other rope now. He misses. Oh, and Brodus gets out of the way just in time. And now Brodus might be setting up for the end here. Oh. Look at the punch. Look at the punch, people. Look at the punch. And now showing his strength to the people in the Energy and Annihilation Arena.
This has been a war. Watch out. Looked like he wanted to rip his leg off on that move.
Well, roll up. That's a roll up.
We got to
One.
He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match.
Whoa, German suplex as Brodus gets up ultra fast and still showing his strength here. Ooh, elbows to the back of the shoulders. Ooh.
Elbow with a foot to the nose. What's he going to do here?
That's it up. There it is. One. Oh, almost had it, people. Almost had it. Ooh, what a spinning back kick by Buzz Killington as he gets him there.
Nice dodge there.
Whoa! And Buzz Killington goes flying. Oh crap. A suplex by Brodus right back in the ring. Saying you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
He's got him hooked.
Looks like Buzz Killington is feeling the effects on his leg here. What's he gonna do? Oh, reverse! Reverse!
He's putting those educated feet to
Oh, he misses!
Oh, look at this. He's hurt. He's hurt.
Ooh! Reversal by Buzz Killington with a good elbow to the face.
Wow, what a sequence.
Oh! There we go. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Oh! What's he gonna do here? Roll up. That's a roll up. One. Oh. There he goes. What's he doing here? And reversed by Buzz Clinton. A back and forth match so far. Wow! What a double axe handle on the face of Ross. Oh! A 5-star frog splash. 5-star frog splash. This is the over. This is the one. Oh. Oof. He's gonna pin him. He's gonna pin him. One. Oh. And Bros is still alive. Not giving up in this match. That's a reversal right there. And another roll up. Another roll up. One. Tie up in the middle. Oh, what a reverse. Oh, and what a clothesline. One. Oh. Now Bros gets in control and reversed again by Buzz. Oh, another right hand. And now he's taunting him. Well, here we go. What's he gonna do? Oh! Wait a minute, what's he doing? Wait, don't tell me he's gonna do a powerbomb outside. Oh! A powerbomb outside, landing on the concrete floor. Now he throws him back in with the elbow to the face. Elbow in the face. Oh, and a drop kick. I mean, like a leg drop. And what? Oh, he misses. And Bros, like a smart wrestler that he is, gets out of the way. Another roll up. One. Oh. Tie up again. Oof. It's a reverse. It's a reversal right there. It's a reverse. Ooh. And now, Buzz Clinton could be seeing a chance at greatness as he will be the #1 contender. Oh, angle slam! Angle slam! What's he doing? What's he setting up here? Whoa! And he misses. What is it, like a shooting star press or something? Uh-oh. Looks like this could be a chance Brodus needs. Oh, a powerbomb! 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 By the dominant Brodus. A future world champion indeed if he can win this match. Oh, hits him outside. Reversed by Brodus again. German suplex. Oh! Now Brodus gets back in. What's he gonna do here? Don't tell me he's gonna fly. He's not gonna fly. No way! Oh, he hits him in the elbow. Elbow to the heart. Right outside the ring. Oh! Oh, now Buzz Clinton is gonna fly, and he misses. Oh, almost hit the steel steps on that one. Almost. The ref is counting to 6. It counts up to 6. Counts up to 6 here. Oof. What a leg drop. What a leg drop right there. They're back in the ring now, and the crowd here at the NRG Arena is ecstatic. They're on their feet for this one. Now the kicks to the stomach. The kicks over and over again. Catching fire. The people in NRG Arena are on their feet. They want what a good match they've seen here tonight. What is that? Oh! He's gonna try to pin him. Oh. That's a reversal right there.
What a counter that was. Oh my, look at this.
What's this? What is that? Is that Brodus' special? That could be. That's a submission.
I'm scared to ask. Look at this.
Oh, powerbomb. Is it over? One. Oof. Damn.
Will you look at the face of Rodriguez?
Damn. What an elbow. Damn, what a shot. And reversed. Oh, and hits him in the back of the head. Brodus picks him up. What is that? It's like a modified pedigree type of thing. Oh, that's a power bomb. Showing his strength. Power bomb.
He's in big trouble.
There it is. What's he doing here? What's he setting up here, folks? What's he setting up on the rope? What's he setting up on the ropes? Looks like they're both gonna fly. Someone's gonna get injured here. Whoa! And a suplex from the top of the rope. A suplex from the top of the rope. And Buzz Killington could be out. Woo! Damn, what a move.
Nicely avoided there. Taken down to the floor.
And now Buzz Killington taunting a little bit. That's not a good idea, Buzz. You shouldn't be taunting, especially when you're facing Brodus. That guy was pretty good. But he's going to take his chances here. What is this? Looks like shades of Shane McMahon right here. Ooh, and what a right hand. And now mocking Brodus. Is it going to be over? Is it going to be a pin? The one. Oh. And the crowd is loving this match. Look, hear the crowd's reaction. That's the sound of an NRG fan base right there, people. That's them cheering for this match.
Never ever underestimate the sheer force behind a superstar's punches.
He's going to pin him again. The one. The two. Ooh, and almost close. Buzz almost had it. A guaranteed ticket right there. Damn.
And he falls hard. Not today. Too fast. He's got him.
What is it? Wow, what a move.
Get ready, folks. Get ready.
Oof. What is that? That's a trifecta German suplex, shades of Chris Benoit. Wherever you are, Chris Benoit, he's probably doing it for you. And now, he could be setting on a win here at the pay-per-view in his first pay-per-view. No.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
And another reversal. The two guys are going back and forth. No one wants to lose in their first pay-per-view appearance here at NRG.
Neither one of these superstars can afford to give their opponent the upper hand.
Damn, what a shot.
He's left the ring.
Uh-oh. Ball's gonna fly, and he misses again. This is gonna be like the third time I've seen him miss those high moves. And this is gonna be the opportunity that Brodus needs to capture the win here.
Nice dodge there.
Oh, reversed. Doing here? What's he doing? What is this? Oh, reversed again.
Great reversal.
German suplex. Now he's gonna work on the leg. Now he's working on the leg.
Narrowly avoids the attack there.
Working on the arm now. Picking his shots. Picking the body parts exactly where he works again on the arm. Works again on the arm. And now he's working on the leg now. Buzz Killington's getting dissected over here. Buzz is getting dissected. He has to get up. Oh, what a move. Now working on the leg again. Dissecting him. Over and over again. Now here comes a roll-up. A roll-up. One.
Has the headlock. Avoids the impact there. Dodges to the side.
Now wrist again by Buzz.
Look.
Now he's doing a punch again. Is he in? He's going to be in the middle. In the middle. There it is. Oh, what a punch. What a punch. Is it over? The one. Ooh, almost.
The bad guy into the clinch.
And a headbutt. Missed. Ooh, elbow to the face. My Buzz. German suplex. Back in the middle of the ring they go. And now is it over? In the middle. Is it over? Is it a 1, 2, 3? It's over. Buzz Killington wins. Buzz Killington, a.k.a. Panther, wins. And what a match. What a match, people. You'll see him at the next pay-per-view in January. Thanks for joining us. I'm out.